Is it really important to have an emergency fund? Think of it this way. Setting aside money to cover your expenses if something big happens, like job loss, illness, or a major home repair, is like building a safety net for your finances. It can help you avoid going into debt and protect your savings when life throws you a curveball. Here's how to set yours up. 1. Determine how much to save. Depending on your circumstances, aim to put away enough to cover 3 to 9 months of living expenses. 2. Work it into your budget. Set aside small amounts to contribute each month. 3. Open a separate bank account. An account that earns interest will keep your money accessible and may help you save faster. 4. Automate it. You can set up recurring transfers from your checking account to make saving easier. 5. Keep it topped up. If you need to use your emergency fund, prioritize rebuilding it. Saving for an emergency fund may seem daunting, but even small amounts can build up over time. Getting started can give you peace of mind. And what's more important than that?